Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by again today. Let's see what this guy brought me. Alright, this one arrived in the normal Zippo type black box, and it is labeled as, it says Monster Eye. So there's a first look at it. Pretty nice looking eye. And this one is on a black matte case, or a black matte finish on a brass body. And it was made in, looks like G of 14. And it has a steel insert. Fires up pretty good. Got a good sound. Slightly muted because of the black matte finish. But this is going into my collection somewhere in the eye section. A couple of my favorite eyes, of course, the flaming eyeball and the crow. You can see the eye in its beak, and then just a skeleton with an eye there. So it's going to go right here for now in the eye collection. And yes, it needs more cowbell. Knuckle bump.